I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Halal Tiramisu at home, only way. Begin by separating eggs, whipping yolks with sugar until pale, folding mascarpone, using Halal gelatin or pasteurized egg substitution, dipping ladyfingers briefly in strong coffee with a splash of coffee liqueur alternative, layer cream and soaked fingers twice, chill at least 4 hours, dust with cocoa before serving, slice with a warm knife. Serve chilled with fresh berries or chocolate shavings as garnish. Measure ingredients carefully and prep before you start. Use 200 g mascarpone, 100 g sugar, 3 eggs or pasteurized substitute, 1 tablespoon Halal gelatin solution, 200 ml strong coffee cooled, 24-30 ladyfingers depending on pan size, and cocoa for dusting. Warm the gelatin gently and cool slightly. This prevents lumps. Keep bowls chilled, and have a mixer and spatula ready to fold ingredients gently to maintain airiness in the cream. Quick recommendation: if you love reading while your tiramisu chills, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for easy kitchen reading and recipe access. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more halal dessert content. Check the description for the link and other deals on cookbooks and gadgets. It also makes a great gift idea. Thanks for watching and supporting this channel. Now let's get back to the video. To assemble, dip each ladyfinger for 1 second. Avoid soggy fingers. Layer half the soaked fingers, spread half the mascarpone cream evenly, repeat layers, and smooth the top. Cover tightly and chill for at least 4 hours or overnight for best texture. Before serving, dust with unsweetened cocoa, optionally add grated chocolate or berries, and slice with a warm knife for clean pieces. Serve chilled and enjoy the balanced coffee and cream flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.